What's the meaning of addressee? Addressee. 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 Addressee refers to the person or group of people to whom a message or communication is directed. It can also refer to the intended recipient of a letter, package, or other form of correspondence. The addressee is typically identified by name, title, or location, and is often the primary audience for the message being conveyed. By understanding the meaning of addressee, we can ensure that our messages are directed to the appropriate people and that they are delivered effectively. This can help to avoid misunderstandings and ensure that our communications are received and acted upon in a timely and effective manner. Ultimately, being mindful of the addressee can help us to become better communicators and achieve our desired outcomes more effectively.